Go home happy with the 2023 Nissan Ariya. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, proximity key entry, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, sun moonroof, woodgrain interior trim, heated mirrors. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.